So guys, like me, do you also want to buy Suva Beauty Hydra liners but you are kinda broke? Don't worry, I got you guys covered in this video because today in this video I'm going to share with you guys best Hydra liners available in India under budget. So stick around and let's get started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Subhankhi. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite Hydra liners, or we can also call it water activated liners, but they are absolutely budget friendly. All of them are below 300 rupees. Actually many of them are below even 200 rupees, but some of them are below 300, so that's why I'm saying 300. They are mainly from small businesses and yeah, I really love them. So I really support these small businesses and you should too. And if you are a person who love graphic liners or love colorful eyeliners in general and really want to try out new liners in market, this is the video for you guys. I promise you guys, after watching this video you are not going to buy any expensive Hydra liners that is from outside India like Suva Beauty, Tyciie Cosmetics and many more, because these are all from India, small businesses that are coming up with beautiful products. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now before starting, let me just tell you guys, if you don't know, water activated liners means there will be product which you can't use as it is. You have to spray a little bit of water and then it will become like a paste, and then you can apply that paste onto your eyes and it will dry up. There is no need to set it with any powder. It will just dry out and it will be all set. You just need water to activate it. That's why it's called water activated liners or Hydra liners. Now also Hydra liners comes in two ways. There can be powders or pigments as we call it, and you can spray a little bit of water onto those powders, and powders and water becomes a paste after you mix it, and you can apply that as liners. And the second form is a cake form, so which will be like a solid rock solid thingy, and when you spray a little bit of water, that solid turns into a little bit of paste or liquid, and you can apply that as well. Now I know all these things starts to become a little bit confusing, but I'll show you guys everything. I'll give a little bit of demo so it will be understandable as we go along in this video. So let's start with the one that I'm really obsessed with, and this is the recent purchase, very recent purchase, and I love them. So these are the liners that I am talking about. I don't think you guys can see the colors. This is lilac, this is kind of cyan blue, this one is mint green, and this one is wow, thank god I saved it with my legs. This one is pastel blue or teal, I guess. These are pastel liners. Now you can see they are not powders, they are in the cake form, and I got it from an Instagram store called Preety Pouts. This is my first time buying from this Instagram store and they turned out really good. And even I have applied this on my eyes today. As you guys can see, the first one is the mint one, then comes the blue one, and then the lilac one. So I have tried this 3 times as of now because I got them last week, and I really like this. The pigmentation is really spot on and it dries out pretty good. I mean, sets pretty good. Totally like this one, so I'm going to recommend you guys 100%. Please buy this one. Yeah, that's it. So this one, really loving this one. And now they have also 3 to 4 more shades, but I got this one because I am kind of hooked onto these 4 colors. I also was planning to buy their pastel pink one, but that went out of stock really quickly. So what can I do? Better luck next time. Yeah, so really love these liners. And also, by the way, I forgot to mention, they are kind of UV light, which means basically it glows in blue light. So yeah, I have not tested that out, but they claims to glow, just mentioning it out. So yeah, now let's move on to my next Hydra liners. So these are these liners. Now they are kind of neon Hydra liners. I mean, I chose neon colors. These 4 are from VOHO Beauty. That is also another Instagram store. I don't know, I love these small businesses. I literally come across a lot of Instagram stores, small business stores on a daily basis that sells a lot of quirky, beautiful things, from jewelry to clothes, thrift clothes to liners to makeups to everything. So these are from VOHO Beauty and I have already mentioned them in some of my videos and made so many looks, I can't even count. So by the way, all those looks are on my YouTube shorts as well as on my Instagram page. Please go and check it out. Self promo as usual, because I am kind of stuck with my followers on Instagram. Please go and help me out there. But anyways, these are really good. These are, by the way, not powders. As you guys can see, they are cake forms. I have figured out after using so much of these liners that I kind of reach towards cake Hydra liners more. That's because I am a messy person and I always kind of scared to open powders because every time I spill it, and that's why cake liners are kind of handy for a girl as messy as me. Now they have also purple, blue and few other colors that I don't have right now, so you can check them out as well. Also, I'm going to link everything down in the description box. Please look there if you want to buy any of these Hydra liners. Now let's move on to my powder water activated liners. So the first we have got powder activated liners from Rhythm Cosmetics. These are pastel liners and I have talked about them like billion times in my previous 2 YouTube videos, so you better know about these things if you are a regular viewer of my videos. And if you are new, don't worry, I'm going to explain about it again. I have got, this one is pastel blue. This one is mint green, the color which I'm obsessed about right now. This one is pastel orange or kind of peach, but it's not totally peach. It's a little bit coral, I guess. So this one is white, super useful. I think I should get a black one as well. Now the last one is everybody's favorite color, lavender as you want to call it. I have got 5 of them and they have also 4 to 5 more shades. You better check them out. These are from Rhythm Cosmetics. They are so good, so helpful. Since I have told you guys that I tend to reach towards cake form of Hydra liners, I also should mention that I have noticed that pigment form of water activated liners sets really quickly than cake forms. I don't know, it just dries out really quickly. So this is also more smudge proof than the cake liners. It's just my opinion. I have noticed that on my skin. So really love these pastel liners from Rhythm Cosmetics. You guys can check these out as well. They are really good. When I use this, I feel like I'm doing experiments and all. I take a little bit of pigment on a plate or sometimes on this lid and then take out a little bit of water or sometimes setting spray and mix it and then apply it. I don't know, it feels a lot like I'm painting, which I used to do and even love doing now, and using this just draws me back to all those childhood days. So really love them as well. Now the fourth option I have got for you guys are pigment form of neon liners. So these are neon colors, as you guys can see, yellow, green, pink and orange. So these are powder form. You can see the amount of mess I have created on the lids. You guys can guess that out obviously. Now they are from Tyciie Cosmetics and they are the oldest one that I own. After using this, I got hooked onto using water activated liners and doing all those graphic looks, and then I have this collection now, but started with this one, so you should understand how much I love this one. These are from Tyciie Cosmetics. They are super affordable, super good quality sets as well. But I also noticed that only this pigments from Tyciie Cosmetics, this 4, applies well when I use with a setting spray more than water. Yeah, that's kind of makes the color pop out a little more. Maybe I have done some mishap with the ratio of mixing previously. I don't know about that, but I felt like setting spray helps with these pigments from Tyciie Cosmetics. But yeah, obviously love them. Now in this video I have mentioned 4 brands. This is not 4, this is 4. So I've mentioned 4 brands. All of them has their Instagram stores. All of them are from small businesses in India and they are really good. But since I'm talking about water activated liners from India, I do have come across some other brands as well that I haven't tried it out, but I thought let me just mention them if you want to figure yourself out if you want to buy them. There's harm in just mentioning their name, but I won't recommend you guys because I haven't personally tried them. So those are Vampire Beauty, CG Cosmetics. I guess these 2 brands from Instagram page as well. I have seen Shreya Jain talked about Vampire Beauty, but I haven't tried them out because they are really expensive. I always basically go for the affordable options first. So yeah, that's about this video. We have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have liked this video. I try to make this video with all my heart because graphic liners, colorful eyeliners are my thing. So yeah, you know the drill. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hitting 300. Let's do this please, and yeah, I'll meet you guys in my next video, and then be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give.